Hi guys, welcome back to Collie's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my carrot saltfish fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Collie's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Collie's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Callie_kitchen_1. Also follow my business page, it's Accessories by Liams. Once again guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and thank you for sharing. Alright guys, so here we have some shredded carrot. We also have our counter flour, we also have scallion, we also have onion, we also have some bell peppers, of course we have the saltfish, black pepper, I also have 1 glass of water, and of course I have some bell peppers. So first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the seasoning to the flour, and the seasoning consists of scallion, it consists of onion, it consists of bell peppers, and of course I'm just gonna go ahead and add my Scotch bonnet pepper also. So once I'm finished adding my seasoning, I'm just gonna go ahead and of course we have to combine both the flour and the seasoning together. And reason for this, you want to always ensure that your seasoning is evenly distributed. Also, I'm going to go ahead and add the saltfish. And guys, I already boiled my saltfish 3 times to remove the excess salt. Also, I'm going to go ahead and add the shredded carrot. And guys, this is quite simple and easy to make. And also, don't worry about if you don't have all of the ingredients. It's fine. Use what you have. I always tell you guys to go ahead, use what you have. Don't worry about anything. Just substitute something for something. Alright? So I'm just going to go ahead and add the water. And of course, you don't want to add all of the water at once. Also, you don't want your dough to be too runny nor too thick. So you want to be very careful. Alright guys, so once I'm finished mixing, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Also, I'm just going to put this to the side to rest for roughly 2 minutes before I start drop them. Also, please note that my frying pan or frying pot is on the stove with the oil already heated. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start dropping my fritters. Of course, you can see that I test the oil and I realize that it's hot. So I'm just going to use my big spoon to take out small portions of my batter, and I'm just going to add it to the hot oil. And of course, this takes roughly 6 to 7 minutes to fry because you want it to be golden brown. So I'm just gonna leave it to fry on this side. Then I'm gonna show you when I flip it over on the other side. Alright guys, so after roughly about 3.5 minutes, I'm gonna flip it over on the other side, but you want to ensure to be extra careful because you don't want this oil to splash and then it will cause an accident. Alright guys, so after roughly 6 to 7 minutes, this is what my carrot saltfish fritters looks like, and as you can see, it's golden brown. So I'm just gonna add the other portion of the batter, and I'm gonna allow it to fry, as I said before, for 6 to 7 minutes. Then I'm gonna show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my carrot saltfish fritters. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try out this recipe, and I hope you share with your friend. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, guys, go ahead and subscribe. Tell your family members, tell your friends about Kali J's Kitchen. We're heading to 2K subscribers. Can you believe it? 2K subscribers. Once again, guys, thank you. Remember to follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. It's Kali_kitchen_1. Follow my business page. It's Accessories by Leams. Once again, guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for your love, and see you in the next